Students, we have already covered addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now in this video we are going to cover squaring. Suppose square is there, so that how to find the uncertainty value of that. In further videos we will be covering cube, square root, inverse, etc. So whatever things are remaining, that we will be covering. So suppose they have given this question: find the area of circle whose radius is r plus delta r equals to 7 plus 0.101. So this 0.101 is called as absolute uncertainty or tolerance value, and this 7 is our real radius. So now we will calculate it. So suppose square is there, so always remember this rule for square. So suppose it is given like this: s equals to a square. So the formula becomes like this: delta x upon x is equals to plus or minus, because it is tolerance value, so 2 delta a by a. So this will be the formula. This whatever this indices are there, that will get multiplied, that's all. If it is cube, then it will get multiplied here as 3. If it is 4, then it will get multiplied here as 4. So this indices whatever is there, that will get multiplied, and then remaining thing is same. So now let's move on. So we will take this example, okay, what was given to us. So if we want to find for this, okay, so let's do. So here they have given this value and tolerance value is this. So let's find out first area for this. 7 is given. So area of a circle is given by pi r square. Okay. So pi means 3.14 into radius is given as 7 into 7. So 7 r square means 7 into 7. So this value will come around 153.9. So we will take 3 significant figures, so it will become 154. So this is the area we got. Now we want to find for tolerance value. Okay, so that we want to find area for the tolerance value. So now delta a, we will use this formula what we have derived here previously. In the same way we will derive here. So delta a by a is equals to 2 delta r upon r. So let's substitute the values here. So delta a we want to find out. This is what we want to find out. A is here area 154. So we will write here 154. Okay. So equals to 2 into delta r. So delta r is this. Okay, delta r. This is delta r into 0.101 upon. Then further it is radius. So radius is 7. R means 7. This is 7. So we have done. Now we will solve this and we will find out. This is coming to 0.0288. It is coming to 0.0288, but we will take 3 significant figures, so it will be equivalent to 0.03. This one. So this is 0.03. Now this we got it here. Now this delta a by 154 equals to 0.03. So delta a upon 154 is equals to 0.03. So now delta a equals to 0.03 into 154 will become 4.62. So now this we got value of delta a. Now we want to find percentage uncertainty. So now we will write in that way how it is, how you have to write. So area, you write a plus delta a is equals to 154. Then we got this value as 4.62. So we will write here as plus or minus 4.62. So this is how we write. Now if you want to find percentage uncertainty, then you have to do is what? This you have to take it in the numerator and this in the denominator. 4.62 in the numerator divided by 154 in the numerator. So into 100. so it will come to 3%. So this is how we can find this, okay, squaring of any of the values. So we can do in the same way cubing also. So I will take in the further videos of cubing. Just multiply by 3. So we will take example related to that. Okay. So let's move on. Thank you for watching.